Now it might be kind of hard to see in this video, but if you look right here, there's actual metal shavings on the alternator. So I think it's safe to say that the alternator decided to blow up. Here's how you change it. Tools you'll need today are going to be a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket deep, and a 14mm socket deep, plus your trusty awesome wrench. Safety first, just disconnect that battery. Step 2, same wrench, 10mm. Go ahead and disconnect that power. If you could figure out how to get it off. Disconnect the plug. Boom, and you're almost done. Next step, you just grab your 12 deep, and right under here, it's hard to get to with camera in the way. Got this bolt right here. Get that out. Drop it. Next bolt, just the tensioner. Super easy. Take you longer to set up all your camera shit than it will actually change this. Now you're onto your last bolt. It's right up underneath this pulley. Go ahead and get that guy out. You should be ready to pull it out. Now all you gotta do is head over to your local parts store, or in my case, Amazon. For that new shiny alternator. So from here, it's basically reverse your steps and you're back in business. And once you got all your bolts in, go ahead and tension the belt up. Go ahead and back to the 15. Lock that down. Got your clip. And last but not least, got a ground cable. And that's it. Connect the battery and start it up and see how we did. There you have it. It was clearly that alternator decided to grenade. Thanks for watching.